I will be talking about the entity interactions, including the monster, structures, players, resources, and the castle. So as you can see here, a monster is identifying which cells in the grid they have to pass through in order to find its way to the player. This is key because it can identify which structures are in its path and will have to destroy in order to reach the player, and it updates them until the player exits its range. Here you can see that a monster chooses the most efficient route for us to destroy the least amount of structures to get to the player instead of the shortest route. And now a ranged monster. It realizes the structure will have to pass through, so the moment it's in range, it attacks and destroys it, instead of walking into it like it would with a simple navigation method. There's also now a UI indicating where the player can place a structure and where it cannot be occupied by the player or a monster. If anything is even slightly inside of the cell, so it's barely on the edge, it is still not a bad location to build. There is now a unique summoning effect, showing different pieces of the structure come together as it's summoned. During this time, the structure has defenseless status, meaning that it takes a massive increase in damage from any sources, requiring the player to defend structures that is recently built to assist them in battle. The player is now fully animated, as well as are all the monsters. The player can dodge, block, parry, walk, idle, run, block while running, build, harvest, and cast spells. All of these are animation driven and can be interrupted by attacks. A hand-built state tree now controls the complex decision-making of the monsters. A short demo of some combat between the player and monsters. The player is fighting and dodging. They even respawn after being defeated. The monsters are working together to swarm and destroy the player. There are also over 30 unique status effects and different craftable weapons and armor, and over 200 total algorithms have been built facilitating the deep interactions between structures, monsters, and players. Here is one such algorithm for a monster finding the first structure in its path.